Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by powering the Ti-30xa and confirming a clear display. This ensures inputs register correctly. Next, set number format and angle mode, because later trig and rounding depend on those settings. Use second and DRG to choose degrees or radians, and select decimal places if you need fixed precision. Then clear memory with second and CLR to remove previous values. Doing this prevents old stored numbers from altering results. Once done, you're ready to enter calculations accurately. You now perform the main computations, entering expressions carefully from left to right. Use parentheses to force the order when needed because the Ti-30xa follows standard precedence. For powers, press XY, and for square roots, use the radical key. This avoids manual repeated multiplication. When working with percentages, use the % key so the device interprets the value correctly. Use 1/x for reciprocals and the +/- key to switch signs. These small steps reduce input errors and save recalculation time. Finish by verifying results. Re-enter critical expressions or wrap them in parentheses to confirm the same outcome, because human error often comes from mistyped operators. If the calculator becomes unresponsive, perform a soft reset by removing batteries for a few seconds and reinserting them. This clears temporary glitches without erasing permanent memory. If answers still look wrong, make sure angle mode, decimal setting, and memory are correct. Mismatched modes are the single most common cause of surprising results.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.